Credit profile numbers, or CPNs, are 9-digit identifiers that can be used instead of your Social Security number when applying for credit. They can offer a way to protect your Social Security number from identity theft. But here's the catch. While CPNs can be legally obtained, their misuse can lead to serious legal trouble. Using a CPN to apply for credit without disclosing your actual Social Security number is illegal and considered fraud. If you decide to use a CPN, it's crucial to use it correctly. Here are some tips to help you. 1. Do your research. Make sure you're getting your CPN from a reputable source. There are many scammers out there. 2. Full disclosure. Always disclose your CPN when asked and never use it in place of your Social Security number on official documents. 3. Fix your credit. Use the CPN as a temporary solution while you work on improving your actual credit score. Pay off debts, keep balances low, and make payments on time. 4. Consult a professional. If you're unsure about using a CPN, consult with a credit repair expert or financial advisor. Remember, a CPN is not a magic fix for bad credit. It's a tool that can help protect your identity while you take steps to rebuild your credit history. Stay informed and be smart about your financial choices. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and comment for more content like this.